Hello, in this video I'll show you how to give specific learners access only to selected courses. For this we use Team feature. Teams are groups of learners who have access to selected courses. To create a team, go to the Manage Learners and Teams section, Teams, and press the button Create Team. Next, give your team a name and pick a color. After creating a team, you need to add learners to it. If the learners are already in your academy, simply select them directly to the team from this list. You can also invite new learners who are not yet part of your academy directly into the team. To do this, click Invite to Team and send them an invitation. Next, you need to assign the courses that will be available for learners in this team. Go to the Courses section on the menu on the left and select the courses you want to grant access to. In the Basic Settings tab, you can change the team name, update its color, and see the API ID of the team. Don't forget to save your changes. After that, your team will be created. And for convenience, you can filter teams by color or search them by name. Good luck with your academy!